In this video, I'm going to be talking about starting an online business. Hey, what's going on, guys? Benjamin here with Motivational Marketer, and I just want to welcome you guys to my channel. And if you guys are new here, I invite you guys to subscribe and hit the bell notification so you can be notified when I upload new videos. And just to give you guys a quick description of what this channel is about, I provide you guys with valuable content and also different methods that you can use to make money online. So, getting into the topic of this video, which is starting your own online business. But before you decide what business that you want to get started with, I recommend that you consider the pros and cons of getting started with this particular business. You should figure out what it's going to cost you in terms of time and money. The best advice that I can give you when it comes to starting your own online business is to go with something that you're passionate about. So the first way to start an online business is through Amazon FBA, or also known as Fulfilled by Amazon. Can you guys see that? Yeah. So what this is simply buying product in bulk from an online wholesaler and having that product shipped to the Amazon warehouse. And when somebody purchases your product, the people at Amazon pack, ship, and fulfill your product, and you don't even have to see the product. So what most people do is they purchase their products from Alibaba or other online Chinese websites, and they have that product shipped to the Amazon warehouse. So a lot of people make 6 figures a year just with this method alone. I mean, if this sounds like something that's interesting to you, then I would recommend going with this method. So the second way to start an online business is by creating a blog. So if you're somebody who likes to create written content and can also tell a story and paint a picture in people's minds with the content that you write, then I would recommend going this route. So let me be clear about starting a blog. When you first get started, it's going to take some time for your blog post to start ranking in Google. So what I'm talking about is SEO, or search engine optimization. So when people type in the keywords that match your blog title, most likely they're not going to be able to find your blog post when you're first getting started. The way to start to rank in SEO is by consistently creating blog posts and building up your authority. And I'm going to talk about how you can capitalize off of a blog in a minute. So the third way to start an online business is by YouTube. Now you might not think about YouTube as a business, but people who are YouTubers have a business. Almost every established YouTuber has their own products that they sell, whether it's merchandise like t-shirts, hats, coffee mugs, or even something like courses, programs, or even subscriptions. So whether you have a YouTube channel or a blog, you can use these methods to capitalize on these platforms. Now it's going to take some time to build up your followers or subscribers, but it's definitely going to be worth it. You're going to thank yourself in the end if you stay consistent. And if you feel like being a blogger or a YouTuber isn't for you, then I would recommend going with affiliate marketing. Now I've talked about what affiliate marketing is in the past, but just to recap real quick, affiliate marketing is just simply promoting other people's products online through a specific link, and whenever somebody makes a purchase through your link, that's when you make a commission. I personally like this method the best because you don't even have to have your own products to get started, or you don't even have to worry about shipping anything out. So the two most common affiliate programs are ClickBank and Amazon Associates. They're both free to sign up, and you can start promoting affiliate products right away. But if you think that this business is just about spamming affiliate links and making money like that, then you got the wrong idea. You have to deliver value before you start promoting your affiliate links. Otherwise, people aren't going to buy from you. They don't know you, they never met you, so they think you're just trying to make money off of them. So you would have to deliver value in order to make sales, if that makes sense. So before you can start making sales to your customers, you have to build trust with them. So how do you build trust with them? By delivering value and also solving problems that they're having. So when you solve a problem that a customer is having, then you start to build credibility in their eyes. And also, to be successful with affiliate marketing, you need to create a powerful sales funnel. And I'm going to go over how to create a powerful sales funnel in a future video. But if you'd like to learn more about affiliate marketing, you can check out the link in the description below for a free ebook download called Affiliate Marketing Ideas. And what this book does is it helps you decide what niche to promote and also the platforms that you can use to promote your affiliate offers. So if you're interested in my personal recommendation on how to make a full-time income online, you can check out the link in the top of the description. So that pretty much sums it up for this video. I hope you guys learned something. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And also let me know in the comments what you guys thought about this video. If you're interested in seeing more videos like this, let me know down in the comments below. So with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one.